stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely fake, but it is 100% true. In 1920, a woman with no name and a badly scarred body was pulled out of a Berlin canal. She refused to speak. She refused to say who she was. And then, slowly, she made a claim that stunned the world. She said she was Anastasia Romanov, the youngest daughter of the Russian Tsar, whose entire family had been executed by a firing squad just 2 years earlier. Watch till the end, because this is where it gets wild. For over 50 years, she lived inside that identity. She walked into royal drawing rooms. She sat through brutal court hearings. She convinced some of the Romanovs' own relatives. The world could not look away. She held that story until she died in 1984. Then DNA testing arrived. She was not Anastasia. She was Franziska Shanskowska, a Polish factory worker. But here is the real question the story leaves behind. If you commit to a lie completely enough, and enough people believe it, does the truth even matter anymore?